Hi, it's Richard with Eustis Roofing again. I just wanted to show you this. This particular house right here, they put peel and stick directly to the deck before they put this roof on. This roof is probably about 10 years old. It's shot because there's no air barrier underneath the peel and stick. If you look down here, these shingles are melded right into the peel and stick. There's no way to get them off there. The peel and stick is stuck so hard to the deck that what's happening is the heat from the attic has come up through the plywood joints and got the peel and stick so hot that the shingles have melded right into the peel and stick. That's why it's not good to put peel and stick to the deck. You can use peel and stick on a roof. There's not a thing wrong with it. It's actually a great product, but it needs a barrier underneath it before you stick it. It needs a synthetic put underneath it. What they did here is they put this peel and stick directly to the deck. It's gotten so hot from the attic that the shingles are literally melded right into the peel and stick. You can't get them off. So what you have to do is clean it the best you can and put a new roof on it, unless you want to redeck the whole entire house, which would cost thousands and thousands of dollars.